In Brazil, tudo bem is a chameleon. Sometimes Brazilians ask tudo bem without really asking a question, but other times they really want to know how you are. So, how can you tell the difference? And more importantly, how should you answer? Let's start with the easiest situation. When tudo bem is simply a greeting, a short answer is usually perfect. For example, somebody asks you, tudo bem? And you can reply, tudo bem, e você? Tudo bem, e você? Or, tudo, e você? Tudo, e você? Or simply, bem, e você? Bem, e você? Short and natural. And in this situation, that's exactly what you need. But what if the person really wants to know how you are? Now you have more options, huh? If things are fine, besides tudo bem, you can say tudo certo. Tudo certo. In everyday conversation, you'll also hear tô bem, estou bem, tô bem. Now, if things are going especially well, tudo ótimo. Tudo ótimo. But here's where the conversation starts sounding much more natural. Your answer doesn't have to end there. If the question is genuine, you can add one small detail. For example, I'm good, just a little tired. Tô bem, só pouco cansado. Or, tô bem, só pouco cansada. Or, everything's great, my family arrived yesterday. Tudo ótimo, minha família chegou ontem. Tudo ótimo, minha família chegou ontem. Yes, you don't need a long explanation. One small detail is enough. And here's why that little detail matters. It gives the other person something to respond to. For example, tudo bem?
Tudo ótimo. Minha família chegou ontem.
Ah, que legal! Eles vão ficar quanto tempo? See? Now you have a conversation. You just didn't answer the question. It gave the other person a way to continue talking. But what if the honest answer to tudo bem is not tudo bem? Here's a very useful option that you have. So. Mais ou menos. Mais ou menos. Mais ou menos. Mais ou menos literally means more or less, and it's a very natural way to say that things aren't particularly good or bad. But notice what happens when you say it. You've opened a little door. Yeah, the other person may ask you, why? Por quê? Por quê? Or maybe, did something happen? Aconteceu alguma coisa? Aconteceu alguma coisa? Yeah? And then you can add one small detail. I didn't sleep well. Não dormi bem. Não dormi bem. So, mais ou menos is perfectly natural, but it can invite other questions. Use it when you are comfortable continuing the conversation. Now it's your turn. Imagine a Brazilian looks at you and says, tudo bem? Você parece tão feliz hoje. How would you answer? You can keep it simple or make the conversation more natural by adding one small detail. By the way, write your answer in Portuguese in the comments, yeah? Tudo bem? Você parece tão feliz hoje.